Hey folks, JD here, and today we're taking the beast Rolling Thunder back out, this time on a new place. We're going to be using her in this skate park. This is running 6S at the minute, so I wanted to come out here and see exactly how we would, how she would do on a track like this. And oh, very bumpy, but overall, yeah, she loves it. She loves jumps, this one. She loves every single thing, including a bit of speed, and then back out all over the jumps. Oh, there goes the camera. Do you know what? Every single time I drive this, she just gets better and better and better. Absolutely. Such a wonderful, wonderful vehicle this is. Do you know what? So much suspension. It's just unbelievable. Really hard, really soft in different places as well. Just an incredible vehicle that is just able to jump left, right and centre without any issues at all. Right then, let's take her around this whole track so you can see this track in its glory. So we've got one jump, then we're coming up around on the bend, and then we've got the cheese grater, and then from the cheese grater we've got the bowl, around the bowl, and then we've got another mini cheese grater or larger cheese grater, and then from around there, ooh, we got a large one, and then back around then to a bowl which I've just totally cut, and then we're coming back up on the straight. Ooh, my tripod this time, and then we're back up to where we started with a couple of corners cut, which is why I'm not a racing driver. I see corners as a thing to avoid, and then back over the cheese grater again, and then into the bowl on the course. Oh, nicely done. And then up over the short course cheese grater, long, I don't know what the hell to call that. Let's call that the Mounds of Nessie. And then back over around the corner that I cut again. And then back over. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Am I going to lose the camera again? Oh, almost lost my legs. And again, for its size, I cannot believe its turning circle. It's got such a small turning circle for something that's so large. Was that a bit of plastic I just saw come off the X-MAXX? Or was that something else? I suppose we'll never know. Oh, just so good. And this track as well is made for something like this. Absolutely. There goes our jumps. Now I just want to rag her a bit on the grass and see how she performs a little bit more. Do you know what? I got a new set of batteries to go in this that give us, again, they're 3Ss, so it'll amount to 6S, but these overlanders that I'm using are properly good. They're only 4,000 milliamp hour 3Ss as well, but still they perform extremely well, and they give this truck enough power so you can literally fly at 30 miles an hour on 6S, or to be precise 32. You know what, well done little truck, but you've got a tree hanging out your back end. Oh, maybe more than hanging out your back end there. There we go. Right, and do you fancy doing that again, Mr. X-MAXX? Yes you do, off you go. And you know what, never gets old, never gets old. Well done, let's go. Yeah, really nice. This truck is made for bashing. And it's also made for racing, quite weirdly. It's made for bashing and racing. And those brakes, they're just phenomenal as well. There we are. Right, I think that's it on this set of batteries. Next step, I'm gonna do another run in a bit with a new set of batteries, and you should see the video to that soon as well. But I just want to give it a shot and see exactly how those new batteries do, and I'll talk you through them in a bit anyway. But there we are, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed that bashing session and speed run and grass run and everything else. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy racing.